You won't believe what Samsung just did with their Galaxy phones. And no, it's not just another routine update. We're talking smooth new features, secret AI enhancements, and one unexpected twist in their SmartThings universe that might change the way you control your home. Oh, and if you're wondering when your device is getting the One UI 8 beta, stick around, that news might drop faster than you think. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Smash that like button, share this with your tech buddies, and hit subscribe so you never miss an update that everyone else hears too late. All right, let's talk about something cool. The Wolver app just got a game-changing feature that finally makes wallpaper browsing feel fun again. No more awkward tapping back and forth. Now, you can scroll effortlessly in both directions, preview wallpapers full screen, and tweak colors, contrast vibrance, even blur them. Like a mini photo studio built right into the app. It's snappy, smooth, and addictive in the best way. Once you're done customizing, just hit apply and boom, fresh wallpaper, no fuss. Trust me, check out the link in the description. It's worth a look. And yes, there's a premium version too that unlocks more categories and removes those annoying ads. Now, Samsung's rolling out updates faster than ever. The Galaxy Store just leveled up to version 6.6. 16.2 now live for S25 and S24 series. That's your cue to check for surprise updates because once you install it, you'll notice a domino effect. Clock app, smoother, avatar editor, layout upgrade. But the real stars, Samsung AI Core and Samsung Vision Model. Get this, the Vision Model update is over 2 GB. And it's not just taking up space, it powers insane generative AI tools like Writing Assist, Call Assist, Interpreter, Browsing Assist, and more. Meanwhile, Samsung AI Core got a smaller but mighty 30 MB upgrade, unlocking smarter text composition, generative edits, and voice-to-text tools. It's like having a mini AI assistant tucked inside your phone. But wait, there's more. Bixby, Secure Folder, and Samsung Account also got behind-the-scenes polish, while Good Lock, the app we all secretly love, got bumped to version 3.0 12.2. You'll notice better stability, visibility, and fewer glitches. Clockface also got some love, with icon visibility bugs squashed. But here's where it gets interesting. SmartThings is now doing way more than just controlling your fridge. The latest version adds Home Life, an upgraded Home tab with a 3D map view, and new tag-based location sharing, that 3D home view. It lets you virtually walk through your house and tap to interact with your smart devices. Yeah. You can basically be Iron Man, but for your living room. The new Home Life section feels like Samsung's trying to get to know you better. Input your habits, interests, and household setup, and it starts serving up smarter suggestions. From adjusting routines to suggesting new automations, it's all about making your life just a little lazier in the best possible way. Oh, and tag-based location sharing. It's rolling out now. Just pair your smart tag and track anything from your backpack to your dog with scary precision. Can't demo it here without a tag, but trust me. Once you try it, it's hard to go back. Now let's talk One UI 8. And here's where the timeline gets spicy. According to fresh leaks, Samsung might drop the beta for One UI 8 as early as next week, kicking things off with the Galaxy S24 series and foldables like the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. But don't worry, if you've got an S23 Fold 5 or Flip 5, your turn might come just a week later. And for those rocking the S22 series or 2022 foldables, early July could be your golden window. That's right, Samsung's not ditching its older flagships just yet. But here's the twist: the beta will likely drop first in South Korea, Germany, and the US. If you're not in one of those countries, you might be stuck refreshing your software update screen for a while. Now, keep in mind, none of this is 100% confirmed. This is Samsung we're talking about. They love a good plot twist. So, timelines and features can shift without warning. But based on these leaks, the next few weeks are about to be a wild ride for Galaxy users. Quick tip if you want to jump into the beta as soon as it's live: make sure your Samsung account is set to a supported country and keep your Galaxy Store and Members app updated. That's usually where the invite shows up first. So, are you excited? Nervous? Already checking your update screen? Let me know in the comments what feature you're most hyped about, or if you've already spotted something new in your apps. And before you bounce, don't forget to update that Wolver app, subscribe for more real-time updates, and tap that bell so you don't miss the next wave of tech drops. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!